friends, welcome to SK English classes. So in our last lecture, we discussed the contemporary of Geoffrey Chaucer, or we can say the poet who influenced with the writings of Chaucer. Like after the death of Chaucer, many poets were there who influenced with the writings of Chaucer, who imitates his writing style. Okay, so today we'll discuss about the Scottish Chaucerians and English Chaucerians. They were also the poets who influenced with the writings of Chaucer. They also imitates the writing style of Chaucer. Okay, so firstly we start with the Scottish Chaucerians. कौन थे Scottish Chaucerians? स्कॉटलैंड में जो poets थे वो बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस हुए चॉसर की राइटिंग्स से. ओके, चॉसर की जो राइटिंग स्टाइल था उससे बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस हुए. दैट्स वाई दे कॉल्ड एज स्कॉटिश चौसरियंस. ओके, स्कॉटिश चौसरियंस कौन थी? जो स्कॉटलैंड में पोइट्स थे वो जो इन्फ्लुएंस हुए चॉसर से, उन्हें स्कॉटिश चौसरियन का नाम दिया गया. Okay, before proceed further, we should know that when Chaucer started his writing career, 4 dialects were there in England. Okay, first one was Northern dialect, then Southern dialect, then East Midland dialect, and then West Midland dialect. Chaucer chooses East Midland dialect for his writings. Why he chooses East Midland dialect? Because जो हमारी famous universities हैं, Cambridge University, Oxford University, ये East Midland area में थी. ओके, ईस्ट मिडलैंड एरिया जो था दैट वाज अ यूनिवर्सिटी टाउन. यूनिवर्सिटी टाउन में ईस्ट मिडलैंड डायलेक्ट का यूज़ किया जाता था. दैट्स वाई चॉसर चूजेस दिस डायलेक्ट फॉर हिज राइटिंग्स. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द स्कॉटिश चौसरियंस. फर्स्ट स्कॉटिश चौसरियन जो थे हमारे वो थे जेम्स फर्स्ट ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड. ओके, इनका टाइम पीरियड था 1394 टू 1436. इन्होंने एक बुक लिखी किंग स्क्वायर. किंग स्क्वायर मीन्स द बुक ऑफ किंग. ये बुक कहाँ से इन्फ्लुएंस हुई? जो जेम्स फर्स्ट ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड थे ये इन्फ्लुएंस हुए चॉसर की द नाइट्स टेल से. नाइट्स टेल को उन्होंने पढ़ा एंड ये बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस हुए. देन इन्होंने अपनी एक बुक लिखी किंग स्क्वायर. ये बुक उन्होंने जेम्स वन ने चॉसर की नाइट्स टेल से इन्फ्लुएंस होकर लिखी. ओके, देन वी हैव जॉन बार्बर. ही वॉज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द स्कॉटिश चौसरियंस. He wrote The Bruce. This was the only famous work written by John Barber. Okay, ये भी चॉसर की राइटिंग से बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस थे. Then we have third one, Robert Henryson. Robert Henryson. This was also one of the greatest Scottish Chaucerian. He wrote Testament of Cressade. चॉसर का एक वर्क था, हमने पढ़ा था ट्रॉलेस एंड क्रिसेड, जिससे इन्फ्लुएंस होकर रॉबर्ट हेनरिसन ने टेस्टामेंट ऑफ क्रिसेड लिखा. Then the second work he wrote the moral fable of Aesop. Okay, third one Orpheus and Eurydice. Fourth one Robin and Macaulay. Okay, this work, इस वर्क में उन्होंने थीम लव की थीम यूज़ की थी. Okay, these 4 works were written by Robert Henryson. Then we have William Dunbar. William Dunbar, he was also one of the Scottish Chaucerian, and his poems often satirizes the clergy, the women, or the statements and the tradesmen. Okay. Then he wrote The Thistle and the Rose. His famous work was The Thistle and the Rose, The Two Married Women and the Window. Third one was The Devil's Inquest, and the fourth one was The Golden Targe. Okay, he wrote these 4 works. Okay, then we have Gwen Douglas. Gwen Douglas, he was also one of the Scottish Chaucerian, and Scotland के poets थे ये सब, जो कि बहुत influence हुए चॉसर से. That's why they called as Scottish Chaucerians. Okay, Gwen Douglas, he wrote Palace of Honor. चॉसर का एक वर्क है हाउस ऑफ फेम. ये वर्क उससे इन्फ्लुएंस होकर डॉगलस ने लिखा, पैलेस ऑफ ऑनर. ओके, सो दीज आर स्कॉटिश चौसरियंस जो कि आज हमने पढ़ी हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. हमें पता होना चाहिए इनके वर्क्स के बारे में और कौन सा वर्क किस वर्क से इन्फ्लुएंस होकर लिखा है. ओके, सो स्कॉटिश चौसरियन आज हमने किया. Let's start with the English Chaucerians. Okay, English Chaucerians कौन थे? The very first English Chaucerian was John Lydgate. He was the greatest poet of 15th century who influenced with the writings of Chaucer, who imitates his writing style. Okay, John Lydgate. He wrote 3 major works: The Troy Book, The Siege of Thebes, The Fall of Princes. These 3 works was written by John Lydgate, but these 2 works, The Troy Book and The Siege of Thebes, these 2 works was the longest one. Okay. Then secondly we have Thomas Hoccleve. He was also one of the English Chaucerian. He wrote The Regiment of Princes. This was the only surviving work written by Hoccleve which was based on Latin work De Regimina Principum. एक Latin work था De Regimina Principum जिस पर ये वर्क बेस्ड है. थर्ड वन वी हैव स्टीफन हॉज. Stephen Hawes, he was also the imitator of Chaucer. He also influenced with the writings of Chaucer, but he was a disciple of Lydgate. इनके works के बारे में इतनी information नहीं है, but this much information is enough about Stephen Hawes. Okay, he was the imitator of Chaucer, but he was a disciple of Lydgate also. Then we have fourth one, John Skeleton. He known for his satires. He was known for his satires. ये अपने satires के लिए जाने जाते थे. Okay. He wrote 3 major works: Why Come You Not to Court, Speak Parrot, Colin Clout. These 3 works were written by John Skeleton. Okay. Lastly, we have last but not the least, fifth one, Alexander Barclay. He was also one of the English Chaucerian. He wrote The Ship of Fools, only surviving work written by Alexander Barclay. So today we discussed the Scottish Chaucerian and the English Chaucerians. Scottish Chaucerians कौन थे? जिन्हें जो स्कॉटलैंड में पोइट्स थे जो चॉसर की राइटिंग से इन्फ्लुएंस हुए, they are called to be as Scottish Chaucerians. And English Chaucerians कौन थे? जो इंग्लैंड में पोइट्स थे जो चॉसर की राइटिंग से इन्फ्लुएंस हुए, they called to be as English Chaucerians. Okay, so I hope you all like this video, and if you have any doubt you can ask me.